Hey guys, we need to talk about what you're supposed to be doing prior to coming to all your appointments. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video with me. My name is Deanna and I'm your SD with the bestie. And here at Luxe Panda Beauty, we are not about quick fixes. We are here about intentional professional guidance for healthy glowing skin. Some of you are trying to be helpful and you're exfoliating to get that skin super clean so I'm able to see what is happening. You're switching up your routine the night before, or you're just trying a new active and you come into your appointment saying that my skin feels a little bit sensitive today and I don't know why. Girly, I might just know why. Today, we're going to be talking about how to properly prep your skin before a professional treatment, what actually helps your esthetician, and what I would personally recommend to skip. And especially important for when you're coming into treatments like chemical peels, microneedling, microdermabrasion, dermaplane, and even your first facial. Let's get into it. Sometimes I get questions like, do you even need to prep your skin? First thing first, healthy skin prep doesn't mean you're getting your skin perfect before you come and see me. You don't need to clear out all your breakouts, you don't need to extract all your blackheads, and you definitely don't need to apologize because your skin isn't looking at its best. That's literally why you're coming to see me. Especially for your first appointment, I actually want to see how your skin normally behaves. Is it dehydrated? Is it producing a lot of oils? Any inflammation? Barrier compromisation? Or is it feeling congestion? All of that information is going to allow me to understand what is happening and what direction we should take next. So don't apologize and don't feel like you need to fix your skin before coming in. Let's talk about what actually helps for preparation. First, you want to go back to a simple routine. A few days prior to your appointment, this is not the time to suddenly become a skincare scientist. Stick to products that your skin already knows and tolerates. So think of gentle cleanser, hydration, moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's it. We want your skin calm, supported, and stable going into your appointment, especially if you're planning for a more corrective treatment. Second thing is to hydrate your skin. And when I talk about hydration, I am talking about both skincare and your lifestyle. So keep your skin moisturized, drink lots of water, get those electrolytes in if that is something that works within your routine. Because hydrated, supported skin generally responds better and is much more happier than skin that is stripped and over-exfoliated right before an appointment. And here in Alberta, especially during our dry climates, hydration and barrier support is something I constantly talk about with my clients. The third thing is to wear sunscreen always. This one is non-negotiable. And if you're preparing for a treatment that is going to increase sensitivity in your skin, we do not want you to come into your appointment after a weekend of getting sunburnt. Always protect your skin no matter what. And if you recently spent a significant time of sun exposure or your skin is irritated from the sun, just let your provider know before your appointment because sometimes the safest option is to modify or postpone the treatment. The safety of your skin health should always take priority. Fourth thing is to tell us what you're using. This one is a big one. Please do not hide your skincare routine from your esthetician because you're worried we're going to be judging you. I am not here to confiscate your skincare, but I do need to know what you're using so we can eliminate what's not working for your skin type and we can use what you already have to help your skin, especially active ingredients like retinoids, exfoliating acids, acne treatments, prescription products, or anything that can cause any recent irritation. And please tell your providers of any recent procedures, medications, health changes, or any changes to your medical history. And these are all things that should be discussed during your consultation and prior to your appointments. All this information can completely change what treatment is appropriate and right for you. Now, let's talk about my recommendations to skip. Let's skip the DIY exfoliation. Let's talk about this. Please do not think I'm getting a facial tomorrow, so I'm going to exfoliate my face to help her. No, thank you, girly. Your esthetician does not need you to pre-exfoliate your face for us. That is our job, okay? Our job only. Do do not exfoliate prior. Depending on your treatment and your provider's instructions, you may be told to temporarily stop certain exfoliations beforehand. Why, you may ask? We need to protect your skin barrier and avoid any unnecessary irritation. If your skin is already sensitized and then we perform another exfoliating treatment after that, your skin is going to be stripped raw. Then we need to modify your service or just not perform it at all. So follow your pre-care instructions your provider gives you. The next thing that I need you to skip is picking your skin. I know that one pimple that's staring at you right in the mirror, you're thinking, I'll just get that one. And suddenly 20 minutes later, and you've performed your own bathroom extraction session. Leave it alone. If you already picked up the area and now it's open, inflamed, and irritated, just let your esthetician know. Depending on the treatment, we may need to avoid the area. Remember, we always want to work with healthy, intact skin whenever possible. The next thing I want you to avoid and skip is trying a new brand the night before. This one always makes me nervous because if you're buying a new viral serum and the facial is tomorrow and you're thinking, perfect timing, absolutely not. You do not want to know how your skin's going to react if it is negative. If you develop an irritation, redness, itchiness, or inflammation, now during your appointment, we're trying to figure out if this is an underlying skin condition or a reaction to something that you introduced 12 hours ago. Save the skincare experience for another time. Before your appointment, boring is beautiful. Overall, what I'm trying to say is that the night before your appointment, just keep it simple and leave your skin alone. We do not need you to arrive with perfectly exfoliated, glowing skin. We just need you to arrive with your skin and allow us as the professional to do the rest. So the day of your actual facial treatment, just come in your normal skincare, and yes, you can wear your makeup because we're gonna clean your skin anyway. And plus, I'd rather you come to your appointment comfortably than stressed arriving with the perfect bare face. And the most important thing is to communicate if anything has happened to your skin since booking. So in any new irritation, new medication, reaction, sunburn, cold sores, recent procedures, tell us all, because all of that information is far more valuable than coming with a perfectly cleansed face. And plus, you'd rather be educated on how to maintain healthy skin glow than to get a quick fix. And if you're going into a clinical treatment like microneedling or chemical peels or corrective treatments, your preparation may look a little different, and this is where it's crucial to follow all of your pre-K instructions provided by your esthetician, not by TikTok, not by a friend's routine, and definitely not what somebody's did before their treatment 3 years ago. Strictly your esthetician's instructions. Here in my clinic at Luxe Panda Beauty, I am not interested in seeing how aggressive we can get with your skin. I'm interested in seeing what your skin can safely handle. And there's a difference. We are building healthy skin. We are building hydration. We are building consistency. And then, when appropriate, we can then start introducing corrective treatments based off of what your skin needs and what your skin can handle, because we aren't here for chasing quick fixes. We are here to creating informed, intentional, healthy, glowing skin. So if you're watching this video because you're thinking of booking a facial and you have no idea where to start, that's okay. Allow us to do the work. Just prep the skin safely. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below how you guys are going to prep your skin for your first facial, and subscribe for more, because every Tuesday we drop new videos on tips, tricks, and new experiences on all things aesthetics and how to get the best glowing skin of your life. Don't forget, skincare is self-care and science is sexy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.